Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In this video, we're going to be doing a color comparison between the pink edition and the midnight edition of the iPhone 13. This is the 13 regular edition one. This is not the mini or the Pro or the Pro Max. So there's 4 different models, but this is just a regular 13 lineup that starts with $799 for the 128 gig, going up to $899 for the 256 gig, and also 512 gig, which you can get for almost $1,000 here. So let's go ahead and take a look at these two phones. If you're deciding between these and just happen to look around or just want to know what's going to be included, if you haven't checked out our unboxing, make sure you guys do also check that out. So this is the pink one. For the very first time, Apple decided to have the pink color edition of the iPhone here. So this is a finish of the pink here, and in the box here you notice again, starting with the iPhone 12 lineup, Apple has slimmed down everything. You get that USB-C cable, and then the pamphlet here, which has a SIM card tray, sticker, and safety and handling little pamphlet here. So that's what you're going to get in the box between it. So in the box is the same exact thing here, nothing different here. So we'll put the box aside, take a look at the color quickly. This back here is a glass back, so you can do wireless charging here, and you have the side here. As you can see, these are flat now, starting with the iPhone 12 lineup, like the design needs to be on the iPhone 5 lineup here. And here features the color of the pink. The pink here is very light, so if you haven't noticed, it's almost a light pink color. It's not a dark pink here color. So we're going to go ahead, take this off, and while we take that up, we're going to go ahead and hold this big button on the side here to power it on, and it is powering on. You notice here the bezel, you can see that pink are all around here, and of course the bottom here. Well, that is powering on here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the midnight one. The midnight one is just a neat rename for the black one. So if you guys are wondering what used to be called the black one, now they're calling it midnight. Apple's just slightly changing up the naming here, but it is not complete black like jet black they used to have. It's more of a lighter bluish black, if you will. So in the box, again, we mentioned it's the same exact thing you're getting. You put the box aside. Again, if you look at it, the flat bezel here, they are matte, and here's the buttons, the SIM tray, and then speakers here, close up of it. So we're going to take the same thing off and start powering the phone on here. So the iPhone 13 was released on September 24th of this year. They come with a couple of neat features here, but between these two phones, both of the phones does have that 6.1 inch display here. Unfortunately, these are 60 hertz one. You're not getting the 120 hertz like you do with the Pro lineup. So if you hold it side by side, same exact size phone, of course. There's the same exact phone, just different finishes to it. So if we hold it here, just so you can see next to each other, they're pretty light phones, not that heavy in a regular hand. And here, as you can see here, we have some decent size phones here, speakers, and then the side here. So that's what you're going to notice between it. And then if we hold it on the side of the back here, those dual 12 megapixel camera here, you got that flash and then speaker, and then the Apple logo as well. It's pretty shiny on the back. The back is a glass back, so you can charge it here on the glass, but because it's a glass, it can easily, if it falls, could crack the back glass. So do be careful if you do decide to use it without a case. So a couple other things about this phone: they do ship with that latest A15 Bionic chip like the Pro models do. 4 gigs of RAM built into it, so they're pretty fast phones, not bad in that sense. The battery life here on these they hold a 30 to 27 mAh battery, which is a big battery, and because it is a big battery, Apple claims that it's an all-day battery, but if you really use it, somewhere between a medium user, you pretty much can go through the whole day, and if you're a heavy user, probably need a little bit of charge 3/4 of the way before you need to plug it back in. A couple of neat features of that top notch, as we mentioned, smaller top notch now, and then this here, as you notice here, this stripe right here, and these cameras, as you notice here, now are diagonal. So there you guys have it for the color comparison between the pink and the midnight or the black one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, found this video somewhat helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Also put a comment which one is your favorite color of the iPhone 13 lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.